Hi guys, my name is Alarik, and I scrambled this game Rubik. I just got this from the morning.
Okay. So you just scramble it.
Yeah, I just scrambled.
And what are you gonna do now?
I'm trying to solve it.
Okay, let's see. 1, 2, 3. You can start. Wow.
Oh my god, it
Okay.
almost
Okay.
fell. It almost fell.
Okay.
Wait, what? Wait. Okay.
Oh, you solve it! Wow! Show it to the camera. You show it. Yay. Okay. How do you get this?
Because I fasting until 25.
And this is the day 25.
Yeah.
So you receive this today.
Yeah.
Alright. You scramble it and you solve it. And that's why you receive another bonus. The ninja one. Spinner.
Ninja cube. Ninja or a ninja cube at the spinner.
At the spinner. Ninja cube at the spinner. Alright. That's a cool name. I think we can close the session.
Yeah.
Say bye to the audience.
Bye.